Hello everyone. I am so sorry that my Zoom is not working. I figured that I would go ahead and create a discussion board for you to participate in. My suggestion would be to do it within the amount of time that we were going to Zoom today. So let me show you how to do that in case you weren't sure. So once you've logged into Canvas, you are going to scroll over and scroll down to the modules section. Once you get into the modules, you're going to scroll down to week number 10. Here we are. So basically you will see, if you haven't already, the things that I'm highlighting right now are all the resources for this week. This is the podcast that I made along with an outline to go with it. The outline helps you look at some of the specific terms, etc., that I would want you to be familiar with for this particular week. So I'm opening that up so that you can see what that looks like. And hopefully you also have already listened to the podcast, but just in case, this is what the outline looks like. So after you've looked at the outline, listened to the podcast, you can go back down into week 10. And you most likely have already completed, which I saw most of you did, the week number 10 assignment that was due yesterday night. If you haven't completed it, go ahead and do that now. Basically, I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4 different articles and links to read. They're not very long. Then I've asked you a series of questions at the bottom of them. The questions are actually longer than probably some of the responses that you would need to give. So don't let the length make you feel like you can't complete this assignment. When you're ready to complete the assignment, in case you haven't done this already, you're going to click Submit Assignment. What you'll see here is an area to either go ahead and upload a Word document that you've already typed out, or you can click Text Entry and go ahead and type your response here. Once you've done that, you can scroll down and click Submit Assignment. That will go directly to me so that I can grade it. Now, hopefully you've already completed that assignment, but if you haven't, go ahead and do that now. Then go back into where I was before, this week number 10 area, and click on the discussion board. That is going to bring you to an area where I have asked you to respond to some questions. What you're going to do is you're going to click Reply. Once you click Reply, you are going to be brought to an area where you're able to type a response in that you then can post. Once you post this, the rest of the class can see it and also comment. So if I go ahead and post this, it will come up as a test student, which is the area I'm in now. And then other people can hit reply to me or to the test student. It works similar to something like Facebook, where you are able to comment, reply, and then you'll see a chain of threads. I'm going to go ahead and delete these because this is just a test student. I have my own account that I can go ahead and comment on your discussions as well. So here's the discussion board for this week. Go ahead and read this. I recommend that you participate in this and get it over with and done for the week between the hours that we were supposed to Zoom. And go ahead and hit your reply. Again, this is graded, so make sure that you complete it. If for some reason you weren't planning on being on the Zoom meeting today, make sure that you submit it by this Saturday night. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Again, I'm really sorry that I'm not going to be able to see you over Zoom today. I hope that this was at least a little bit helpful so that you can submit your work moving forward through Canvas. As you know, we're not going to be meeting anymore face-to-face for the remainder of the semester, and pretty much we are all being told to stay home and only go out when it's necessary. So I'm thinking of all of you and hope that you're doing well. Again, I am here. Please reach out over email if you need anything.